The P0101 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your car's mass airflow sensor is reporting airflow values outside the expected range compared to other engine parameters monitored by the engine control module. Think of the MAF sensor as a critical component that measures the amount of air entering the engine. The car's computer uses this information to calculate the correct fuel mixture for optimal performance. Most modern MAF sensors use heated platinum wires that cool as air flows over them. The engine control module expects specific voltage ranges, typically 0.2 to 5.0 volts, corresponding to different airflow rates. The engine control module compares MAF readings with throttle position, engine RPM, and oxygen sensor data to ensure all systems are working correctly together. When a faulty MAF sensor provides incorrect readings, it can lead to reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, and trigger the check engine light. The most common causes of P0101 codes include contaminated sensor elements in 60% of cases, vacuum leaks in 25% of cases, faulty wiring in 10% of cases, clogged air filters in 3% of cases, and failed sensors in 2% of cases. Modern diagnostic tools have made P0101 troubleshooting more accessible. Enhanced OBD2 scanners now provide real-time MAF sensor data visualization, and smartphone-integrated diagnostic tools allow DIY mechanics to observe sensor performance under various engine loads. The first step in troubleshooting P0101 is a thorough visual inspection. Check the MAF sensor and its wiring harness for any obvious damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Next, check the air filter condition. A dirty or clogged air filter can cause incorrect airflow readings and trigger the P0101 code. Replace the filter if it appears dirty or has exceeded its service interval. If visual inspection and air filter check don't reveal issues, try cleaning the MAF sensor. Use only specialized MAF sensor cleaner and follow the product instructions carefully. Be gentle with the delicate sensor elements. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, check for vacuum leaks in the intake system. Use a smoke tester or propane enrichment method to detect leaks that could cause incorrect airflow readings. For advanced diagnosis, use an oscilloscope to evaluate the MAF sensor's response time and signal quality. This helps determine if the sensor is functioning within specifications or needs replacement. Consider the cost-effectiveness of different repair options. DIY cleaning costs $15 to $25 with high success rates. OEM replacement costs $200 to $400, but may be necessary for failed sensors. Professional diagnosis is recommended for intermittent codes.